To answer your question shortly, yes, I have compared myself to Mama and multiple other creators. What are your plans on getting married? What are your marriage plans? Your name is Ashi Adani. Are you like super rich? Because Adanis are rich. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani, and for today's video, you're in my bed because I'm very sick. I have had a flu for like 5-6 days now, but the work schedule has been in a way that I have not been able to catch a break. And मेरा जो YouTube long form content का bank था, it has been exhausted, and I really didn't want to miss this Saturday's upload because I happened to meet a lot of you people at Manasi's meet and greet who said कि we're so happy how you never miss a Saturday upload even if you're traveling or even if you're sick. And I was like, shit, people will be counting on me and I just cannot miss an upload. So I'm doing something that doesn't fully take all the energy out of me basically. But I also feel like I haven't done a Q&A in so long. I don't even remember the last time I did it, so I thought this would be a fun catch up kind of a thing with some hot water because I need my throat to relax. So I put up this photo on my Instagram and asked people to be nosy, and they did not hesitate. The questions are wild. I'm reading out of this note right here. The first question is, are you straight? And the answer is yes. It's my only flaw because I feel like it would be so much more fun to be with a girl. But I am straight. Next, so many questions on this. Why don't you do daily vlogs with your family? What about your family? Who is your mom, dad, and sister? Now, I understand that you guys are very used to seeing a lot of influencers with their families. You recognize their families. And I have also created a few pieces with my mom and dad. But the fact of the matter is that they're not comfortable in front of the camera. मैं please बोलूँगी 2-4 बार वो कर भी लेंगे. But I know they're not happy doing it because they're just not comfortable in front of the camera. A lot of people are introverted in that sense. So I don't want to force it upon them just for views and for that sake. Like I feel like it's very shitty. If people are comfortable in front of the camera, please by all means show them. But my family is not. But I'm just going to pop up a picture right here. That's my mom, dad, brother-in-law, and sister, older sister. Dekh lo, I have family. This is my family. They're just not camera friendly people. Next question is, how do you do it all? Plan and execute YouTube, Instagram videos, Entretio, reply to comments, messages, diet, gym. Okay. I don't know how to answer this. Okay, let's go step by step. Okay, diet and gym, I feel like meko karna hi hai irrespective because I'm very particular about my PCOS. Like if I go back to my habits and if I don't do these things, it is going to increase. Also, the nature of my job is that I need to look a certain way. Okay, so it is a priority for me. It might not be a priority for someone else. So it is a priority for me. I also have, touchwood, my mother, and we also have a cook who makes sure that all this diet stuff is made at home for me. मैं cook करने जाती तो नहीं होता मेरे से. I am blessed in that way and my family also follows that diet. So घर में अभी diet वाला ही खाना बन रहा है. So it's not a special thing for me. Plan and execute YouTube, Instagram videos. Now that is to my job. Now everybody does jobs. How I do it is I like make sure to be particular about it. I make sure to prioritize things correctly. I am a really good planner, if that makes sense. So I am able to plan things in a way that it's easier on me and it's easier on the people also I work with. Entretio is hard on me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It is a little challenging because I am doing everything on my own, and because we are a small biz, we are trying to cut expenses, so everything that we do is on me marketing wise. So that's a little hard. And reply to messages and comments, that is the only good thing about my job right now. Like that is the only thing which makes me feel like कि हाँ मैं कुछ अच्छा कर रही हूँ, तो वो तो मैं नहीं करूँगी, तो मैं, that is the sweet treat reward I give myself at night. I don't scroll on reels, I reply to comments and DMs. So I feel like being organized really helps, and having help or hiring help after you reach a certain age also really helps. And that's how I'm doing it all. How do you get rid of hair down there? Scared to wax and don't want to shave. Even I am actually, both of those things. So I have never waxed down there. I only shave or trim down there with a scissor, which is a little risky, but I feel like that works better than shaving. I did like full 10 sessions of laser, but it didn't even like make it little better. It stayed the same. So laser has not worked for me. So for now I just trim, and I feel like that is the way to go if you don't want to wax or shave. What made you think of starting your own brand? We've mentioned this earlier in my Intreccio reveal video, but basically it kind of started from I love bathrobes. I love wearing bathrobes. They're very expensive in the market and the quality is shit. I don't mind paying for things if they are of great quality. So, and Hriday has a textiles background. He knows like vendors, he knows people, he used to be in this business. It started from a very candid conversation between us where I was like, bro, the bathrooms I'm using are just like so expensive, but they're really bad. He's like, let me get you one and I'll like see if you like it and use it. And I was like, I wish they were cuter, because the Miniso ones that you use that you feel are cute, they are made of such bad fabric that it doesn't absorb water only. Intreccio bathrobes, if you worn them, they absorb your water in like 10 seconds max. And yeah, and I was like, let's make it cuter, and like it's just started from there. Everything that you see on Intreccio is made out of my personal requirement, having cute bathrobes which are absorbent. Padded pajamas, I can't even explain. Like that is, so I feel like everything that I feel like I have a problem with, I'm gonna just make now. If you guys have any such problems, please let us know in the comments. We'd be happy to like reinvent a few things. Next question, did you ever compare yourself with Mama? Very interesting question. I feel like not just Mama, but when the nature of your job is controlled by views, you are going to see कि कौन कैसे कर रहा है. Everybody does it. If you say you don't do it, you're lying. So yes, to answer your question shortly, yes, I have compared myself to Mama and multiple other creators, but eventually after the whole spiral of why is my this video not getting views, why did her that video get views, you just come back to see everybody has their journey and everybody gets rewarded at whatever time God chooses basis how much work they've put in. So if they worked harder than me, they're probably reaping the rewards faster. If I've worked hard enough, hopefully someday I'll also get the love and I'll also get the views and I'll also get everything. So, yes, being insecure is part of like a little bit of being an influencer, I feel. Next question, who will get married first, Alfia or you? What are your plans on getting married? What are your marriage plans? I don't know, honestly, both of us. It's a tough battle between both of us. I really, I swear to God, don't know which of us it's gonna be. When are you planning? What are your plans? I don't know. I don't have any marriage plans as of now. Do I want to get married? Yeah. Soon, preferably, yes. But I don't have any plans yet, so I don't know what to tell you. You'll know as soon as I know, is all I know. Since your name is Ashi Adani, are you like super rich? Because Adanis are rich. No, I'm not super rich. I wish I was. And I'm also not related to the Gautam Adani family. What happens is that his family, like Purana Dadas and all, and our Dadas and all, they're from the same village in my hometown in Gujarat. So a lot of people in my hometown in Gujarat have the surname Adani. One of them is extremely successful. Me personally, not super rich, but very comfortable. Yes, I'm very comfortable. My dad has really provided for us, and I'm also trying my best. Your best content creator friend? I mean, Mama, of course. Urvi. And I also feel like I get along with everyone in the beauty space. Janvi Gopali, Shalini, Himadri, Sara. I feel like I'm missing out on a few people, but like I feel like I get along with everybody. So it's nice to have a little group. Next is, will you do a 3-month check-in with your vision board life goals? Honestly, my vision board is my wallpaper. But this year, I don't even know what's on my vision board. At this point, I have forgotten. Only because I have been so caught up with so many things happening on the work front and personal life front and health front, and मेरे को याद ही नहीं है. Your question has reminded me that the first quarter of the year is over. Like I did not even know it. So will I do it? I don't know. I'm gonna have to see the vision board and see. मैंने कुछ by chance कर लिया होगा तो, but consciously I have not like tick marked anything on my vision board yet. When are you planning a meet and greet? Now this is a fun question because I am in the middle of planning thing for Intreccio, wherein you can come and try out the products and like touch the products, feel the products, and you know we're continuously talking about quality and thickness and stuff like that. So I want people to be able to experience it in person. So if that does work out, I will be there obviously and we can meet. And it's hopefully happening on the 25th of April. So, more details to follow obviously once it gets confirmed. I am prematurely just telling my YouTube audience and keep an eye on the Intreccio page or my stories or something on Instagram, and like you'll know if it's actually happening or not. But 25th of April. Next is, what are your non negotiables in a relationship? I feel like respect is the most important, because when respect is there, you don't do a certain number of things, which is like you be loyal, you listen to the person, you, if they're going through something, you're there for them. And I feel like those things are really, really important, and everything just follows if you just respect the other person. That I think is very important. And I feel like I also need someone who respects what I do, and yeah, I think just respects me even if I don't make a certain amount of money, irrespective, you know, respects me through all phases of life. Next is, how much money do you make and how do you invest it? How's that a nice question? You should not ask people how much money they make. Nobody except like really annoying adults asks that. Okay, so how much money do I make? I don't know, guys. But I will tell you that how maybe you can understand is that a follower and engagement count of my type can charge anywhere between 2 to 3 lakhs for one reel or one YT short. And yeah, we like negotiate between that. So if you are free enough and you really want to know, you sit and calculate how many stories and posts and shorts I do in a month, and you'll have your answer. But how do I invest it? Honestly, my dad's really good at investing. So my investment had to be divided. A fixed amount goes to FD, which is like not the best interest rate wise, but it is safe money that nothing will happen to. Then a lot of it goes to SIPs, a lot of it goes to mutual funds. I was investing in gold also for a while before it just became crazy. And what else? Yeah, I feel like those are the things we are doing right now. And as and when my money increases or decreases or whatever, we like work around with it. So that is a thing we do, and something I would highly, highly recommend you guys to do, even if you're making like 5,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, whatever it is you're making. Take a small chunk of it and just get an SIP, okay? And every month make sure some money, even if it's 2,000 rupees, is going into an SIP for you, because the way it compounds in the future is unbelievable. And as you grow, like for example, last year, say this year, I'm predicting that I'll make more money. So I'm thinking to up my SIPs a little bit percentage wise, कि हाँ उतना फिक्स निकल ही जाए, तुम कितना भी स्पेंड कर लो, यू मेक अ थिंग कि SIP निकल जाएगा, फिर I will spend my money or फिर I will do other forms of investment. So I highly suggest if you're someone who's started making money also. And that's about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know if there are any more questions. I'll see you guys next Saturday in hopefully a better